question, I'm going to answer that global warming for me is a very serious problem nowadays. If you're going to compare the environment 3 decades ago, our planet isn't this hot. The seasons are still on their right time. For example, March, April, and May are summer seasons, while June, July, August, and sometimes up to October, it's the rainy seasons. But look presently, they're all mashed up. You're gonna see typhoons during April and May. And then it's very hot during July, August, and September. It's very unusual, and it's all because of global warming.
My perspective about global warming is that it is the warming of the Earth's surface. Well, that's literally because it is due to the greenhouse effect. Well, as far as I know, greenhouse effect makes our life here in the surface livable. Well, but the continuous burning of fossil fuels and other emission of greenhouse gases enhances the warming of the Earth.
I think global warming is the heating of our world and
I think global warming is the warming of the Earth's surface because of the activities of the human that involves the emission of harmful gases and causes greenhouse effect.
Global warming, I think its effects are the rise of sea level and the extinction of many animals. So, if the temperature will go up, it will kill more animals.
it kills animals, plants, and then climate change. I can help by planting more trees, then segregating my trashes, then there.
Of course, because I help Mother Earth by recycling things like bottles and papers, so that way less trash goes into the dump and gets burned. Because if you burn trash, it produces greenhouse gases.
What are the ways? For me, there's only one way. It's to be disciplined. Because if there are implemented laws about preserving our environment, our ecology, and some species of animals, we don't have discipline. We can't achieve our goal of saving our planet.
Global warming has been notorious enough to be known by everyone. It has become perhaps the most complicated issue facing the world today. Of course, we all know that global warming is the increase of Earth's average surface temperature due to the effect of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide. Emission from burning fossil fuels or from deforestation is trapped heat that would otherwise escape from Earth. This is a type of greenhouse effect, which is a process by which absorption and emission of infrared radiation by gases in the atmosphere warms the planet's lower atmosphere and surface. On the other hand, warnings from the scientific community are becoming louder, as an increasing body of science points to rising dangers from the ongoing buildup of human-related greenhouse gases produced mainly by burning our fossil fuels and forests. Technological, economic, and political issues that have to be resolved before a combined worldwide effort to reduce emissions. Okay.
We may think that global warming has us forever. As a matter of fact, scientists develop ways of stopping it due to the diverse effects of global warming. These days, science and technology gave us technical fix that could stop global warming by taking billions of tons of carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere and save the coral reefs from being destroyed by acidification that has developed by scientists. The activity relies on speeding up a process that happens naturally, whereby carbon dioxide dissolves seawater break down volcanic rocks soils to make alkaline carbonic salts. Seawaters containing more alkali can absorb more carbon, so more carbon from the atmosphere is locked up and becomes harmless bottom sediments. As a compendium, the first thing to do is to conserve energy. Second is to substitute fossil fuels to solar energy. And third about is to dissolve rock into the soil, comes from carbon capture and storage power plants.
Scientists may have found a cure for the so-called global warming. But even so, we as a student must still help in lessening greenhouse emissions through our own little ways, like
There might be a developed cure for global warming, and we may also help in lessening greenhouse emissions, but what if there will be a day when we forgot all about it? What if one day we will do the opposite? Do we know the consequences? Are we ready for it? Are we aware of world economy due to calamities, possible extinctions of certain species, worse volcanic eruptions, tsunamis, smog, thunderstorms, hurricanes, cold waves, wildfires, diseases, droughts, floods, and animal attacks, malnutrition, fish kills, and most of all, the possible extinction of all of us. But even if we are aware of these consequences, are these really the consequences? Or are the consequences even worse than what we expected?
little by little, the ozone is depleting. Living things are already dying. Are you ready to change your ways? Come on, hand in hand. Let's prolong our days.
You've got that smile that only heaven can make. I pray to God every day that you keep that smile. Yeah, you are my dream. There's not a thing I won't do. I'll give my life